Okay, so here we are out here doing some warehouses. Gonna do a few. And when you want it done right, call a pro. You already know, 561-9079-5401. Get her done. Nice and clean, guys. You can see the before. And actually, if you want to look over here, you can see where somebody tried and did a really bad job, left the stripes, right? And then burnt the shit out of it right over here. And when you see all these little white spots in here, that's the aggregate you took off the top of the concrete. So you got to be careful who you hire, guys, because this happens to pavers and everything else. As you can see on a parking stump, this is what the concrete should look like. It has a coating on it, what they call the cream. That's when they first put it down. Now if they were to clean this extra too much pressure, they would show the aggregate and it would look really bad. Same thing with pavers. That's why you can't hire somebody that doesn't know what they're doing, because once that happens with pavers and it shows the aggregate, those little stones, you are wasting your money with sealing. The sealer is not going to do anything for it at that point. It's just a waste. So call a pro, get it done right the first time. Our clean lasts longer, it looks better, and does no damage. Even the garage doors, okay, got oxidation, don't worry about it, we'll hook you up. Looks like somebody burnt the concrete over here too. You can see all the lines, and they tried to correct it, but they couldn't. It's not about pressure, trust me. I can clean this with 800 psi and give you a year warranty, and it's still going to look better than anybody else's. All right, call pro, you already know.